So we've already talked about the POW mathematical function, and this is actually a lowercase p. So it turns out there's a bunch of mathematical functions. All of these require the CMath header file, and they all take doubles as input and they all return a double. So anytime you're dealing with math, you're usually going to be using doubles. So just remember that. So there's a whole bunch of them. These are just some. So sine, cosine, tangent, square root, log, absolute value. Anytime that you're doing math in C++ and you're thinking that there should be a mathematical function, there usually is. So just look it up. So like if you want to find the sine, you don't want to program all the math to calculate the sine. You just want to use the sine function. Same thing with square root. All of these you could write the code to calculate these for you, but if there's already a math function, then just use the math function. There's a list of math functions on table 3-13 in the book. And we're going to get some practice using some of these later as we work on some more code and programming challenges.